in this video I will show you how to find LinkedIn user from contact list. Firstly, what you need to do when you get into that file selection, you need to go right down on the second button, which is My Network. From there, as you can see, you can check out and look on all of these sites which are, as you can see, not followed by you, and you can control who can invite you to connect. You can take off and manage that system and all that stuff. But from now on, as you can see, how you can simply got your right point that is going on your right upper side right here, and simply going to the main point, which is taking messages which are so impulsive on your side. From here, guys, what you can do next, simply you can go on all these selections or simply typing right here on that plus icon to add contacts. Go for add contacts, and from now on, as you go import contacts, from here, guys, you can just need to get that permission on or simply allow on that section. From here, you can take off all your site selections from your site, get up to get full site to your contact list.